how could it be that the people closest to you could be hurting you the most? More on that coming up. Hi, I'm Daniel, and this is 9 to 5 No More. And as a hardworking SOB myself who's barely scraping by, living paycheck to paycheck, I believe that if we're putting in all these hours at work, spending time away from our families, and the things that we love to do most, then we should have a lot more to show for it. Don't you agree? That's why here on this channel, it's my mission to free myself and as many others as possible from the slaving grind of the 9 to 5 by exploring the multitude of options for creating your own online business and making money online. So if you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on one of my videos where I'll bring you the coolest tips, tools, and strategies for creating your very own successful online business. Now let's get on to today's video. Alright, today is number 12 of the Legendary Marketers 15-Day Challenge, and today was all about learning how the people that you spend the most time with really determine your level of success. Now, it's been said by many, but one that stands out is Tony Robbins. You are the average of the 5 people that you spend your most time with. And think about it, how true is that? Think about your 5 closest people, your friends, your family. Think about the position that they're in. A lot of times it's the same one we're in. Like I said yesterday, how many of us know rich people? How many of us really have any rich friends? I know I don't. And a lot of that is why I don't know how to succeed. And I'm having to learn this as I go. I hope to be the one friend that sits down at the bar and I am the one buying the rounds because I'm the one that has the money. And I hope to be able to show my friends that there is a better way. I hope to be that light for them. But as far as the closest people to me, they're all in a poor mentality just like I was. So you have to ask yourself, are the people that you're spending time with, are they hurting you or are they helping you? And what I mean by that is, are they supportive of your choice to spend your time and your money investing in yourself to create a better life for yourself down the road? Do they get it? Do they understand why? Do they think you're crazy? Do they think it's a waste of time, and do they think you're just being scammed? These are telltale signs to look out for. Because if this is the feedback that you're getting when you tell people your aspirations to have a better life, then you might want to consider spending time with other people. Now, I don't mean to kick your friends to the curb. That's not what I mean. But in this period of trying to build something better for yourself, you may want to see who you can find that has a similar mindset. Somebody that is successful, and try to get yourself around people like that. Because once again, you're the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. So who are you spending your time with? Now, if you're like me, then you may be wondering, well, how the hell do I find somebody to spend my time with? How do I find other people that have a similar mindset as myself? Well, I wondered that too. And the answer is to look at things like meetup.com. Look for live events in your area. Look for masterminds of people that are successful. Successful people put on these masterminds that you can attend. And you can surround yourself with groups of successful individuals who think successfully. And by surrounding yourself with people who are successful, you'll start to rebuild. Remember that money blueprint I talked about yesterday? You'll start to get a better blueprint of success. So these are just some of the ways that you can find other people that have a similar mind to you and get around them. I urge you to, because you don't want the people that are closest to you bringing you down. All you have to do is spend a little bit more time with people who are going to build you up. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments section below. And I'll also have a link in the description below to find out more about Dave Sharp's Mastermind. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And until next time, bye.